Hello, everyone. In this video, I will tell you that how to use WhatsApp on our PC or laptop. If you skip any clip of this video, then you can understand. So please watch this video till end. Step 1. We open the Google Chrome in our laptop or PC. Then we type web WhatsApp in search bar. Now click this link. Step 2. Now go to mobile phone WhatsApp. Now, click on it. Now scan it. This is easy way to use WhatsApp in your laptop or computer. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.